Hi friends, happy Friday. I'm so glad you guys are watching this video because that means you are ready to learn some more today. Just a reminder, you need to be doing 3 pages of your packet every single day. You also need to be getting on Lexia for 30 minutes and Dreambox for at least 30 minutes. I am watching your times every single day, and some of you are doing an absolutely amazing job getting on Lexia. I will have another Lexia Superstar or Dreambox Superstar today, and I'll post that later. So today we are going to talk first about science and social studies. We're going to talk about 3 different things today. So this will be about a 15-minute long video. And we're going to talk about science first, then we're going to talk about our writing and reading one more time, and then we're going to talk about math. So you'll have a chance for 3 bonus points today, or your challenge points. So make sure you have a pencil and a piece of paper. If you don't have that, click pause really fast, go grab that, and then come back and you can click the video to start again. So first thing we're going to talk about is something that you should be pretty familiar with, but we're going to go over just in case. So go ahead and draw a line down your paper. On one side, you're going to write the word living. And on the other side, you're going to write the word non-living. So my board looks just like this. I'll give you a second to copy. All right, let's think about this word non really fast. What does this word non mean? This is living. What is non-living? It means not living, so it is not alive. So let's think of some things. What makes something living? Tell the person around you or whisper to yourself 3 things that make something living. Go ahead and do that. All right, my 3 things were, in order to be living, you must be breathing, you must be able to grow, and you must be able to move in some way. Yeah? Let's think of some more. Breathing, moving, growing. Most things that are alive are able to have babies, all those sorts of things. So let's think of some things that are living. The first one, I'm going to look around. Oh, I see a bird. A bird is living. I'm going to put that on my living side. Living, non-living. I put a bird. If you remember, IR says bird. Very good. What else is something that's living? Ooh, I know something that lives. A tree. Some of us forget that trees are alive. Trees grow. They don't start off as big things. They start off as a little tiny seed and then they grow. So a tree is definitely alive. Also, a tree is alive because if it's not attached to the ground and it doesn't have those roots to get its food and to get its water, those are 2 more things that a thing that's alive needs. It needs food and water. Then the tree would die if it doesn't have those things. Let's think of some non-living things. I could look around my room right now and find many things that aren't alive. Oh, I see one. Is a candle alive? No, it can't breathe. How about Miss Gregory's speaker? Is this alive? It can move, but who's moving it? Yeah, Miss Gregory's moving it. The speaker doesn't move on itself, so I can put speaker on this side. Candle and speaker, and then I have bird and tree. Now, I don't want to do too many because I have a feeling you guys are going to come up with awesome lists. So your first challenge for today is to come up with 10 items for each side. So you need to write down 10 living things and 10 non-living things. Think you can do it? All right. If you want to click pause and do this one first before you click play again, you can. Or if you'd like to watch the whole video through and then do all of your bonus points, your challenge points, you can do that as well. All right, I'm going to erase. And we're going to move on to our O's. So I'm going to put another line down my paper, just like this. And I'm going to write O-O as in book. And if you listen, it says B-U-K. I hear And then I have O-O as in zoo. What do those O's make the sound? Z, ooh. Ooh and two different sounds. Same two letters put together, but two very different sounds. So I'm going to come up with a couple words in each of these. Let's see. Book. Ooh. Took. And look. I'm going to write both of those down. I have took and look. All right, let's think of some things I could put on this side. Zoo. I can write the word to, like I want some candy too. Remember, T-O-O means also. And then I'm also going to write the word, or more like a sound. What do cows make? They say moo. Ooh. Now this side may be a little bit harder than this side. There's lots of words that could go on this side. But if you look, I have a pattern going on. My my two O's together, my sound, they're in the middle of the words. In the middle of two consonants says the sound. If I have my double O at the end, it says ooh, as in ooh, zoo. So I want you to remember that. In the middle of the word, it says and at the end of the word, it says ooh. Now, none of those say O. We don't say O. We don't have the long sound. I know lots of us like to read when we see the O, we say L, oak. Nope, two O's in the middle say like look. All right. So, for your challenge today, I want you to write more on this list. Okay? I want you to try and come up with, let's see, I think you could find a lot on this side, yeah? So can we come up with 8 words on this side? And let's see if you can come up with 2 words, more words on this side. And the words don't have to be actual words. If you would like to come up with some nonsense word, that's okay, as long as your O's say ooh. So 8 words on this side you should have. I already have 2 of them for you, so you need 6 more. Oh, and let me put 4 on this side. You need to have 4 words on this side. I have 2. You need 2 more. That will be your ELA challenge point for the day. All right, you may pause to get that completed, or you can get ready to move on to math. So, yesterday we talked about 2D shapes. Now, is this eraser 2D? Yes or no? My dog's hair is on it. Is this eraser 2D? Nope, it's not. It's 3D because you can see all of the sides. If I draw a 2D square on my paper, can I see this side of this square? Nope, I can't. Can I pick this square up? Nope, I can't. So this is a 2D shape. And 2D really means 2-dimensional. That's a long word. Can you say dimensional? Now say 2-dimensional. 2-dimensional. But we're just going to cross out the rest of that and just write 2D. So I'm going to draw some shapes on here, and you can draw these shapes on your board. I want you to draw a square, a rectangle, and a triangle. I'll give you a second to do that and we'll see if you can. A square, a rectangle, and a triangle. All right, I've drawn mine. All right, let's write our words that go with them. I'm gonna write square, square. This is a rectangle. And this is a triangle. If you can write that on your paper, I will give you just a second. All right, so inside these shapes, I need you to tell me how many lines are in each shape and how many points. But instead of using the word points today, we're gonna go up a notch and we're gonna call them vertices. Can you say vertices? Good job. Vertices mean points, so where those two lines come together. So on our square, I see we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines. I'm gonna put 4L. 4L. And I also have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vertices. So I'm going to put 4V. All right, let's do our rectangle. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 4 lines. I put 4L. I'll make it an uppercase L so you can make sure you understand that it's not 41. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vertices. And let's do our last one. I want you to look at this word triangle. This right here, try means 3. Not like I'm gonna try to do something, but try, T-R-I, 3. Think about a tricycle. So a triangle has 1, 2, 3. 3 lines. And it also has 1, 2, 3. 3 vertices. All right. So that was a little review. Now, for your challenge point for the day, I need you to write on your paper 1 through, let's do 1, 2, 3, and 4. Go ahead and write 1, 2, 3, and 4 on your paper. It can look like mine, or it can be down in a line on your paper. That's fine. I'm going to draw a picture. And you're going to copy my picture and you're going to tell me how many lines and how many vertices. Are you ready? Here's the first one. It's like a diamond. All right, here's your next one. A circle. Here's your next one. We did that one yesterday. Let me think of something else. We haven't talked about this shape. Can you try and draw that shape and tell me how many lines and vertices? And then lastly, I'm going to draw a shape that we're going to talk about on Monday. Hold on a second. You're working on your other ones. Let me finish this. All right. So this shape is kind of hard to draw. It's got a straight line at the bottom. It's got 2 lines that go out and then they come together. So we're going to talk about that shape on Monday as well. Can you tell me how many lines and vertices this shape has once you're done drawing it? right. So your challenge points for the day, you will get 1 for completing a list of non-living and living things. You will get the other for completing a list with our double O's. And you'll get another for completing our math work for the day. You will also get a bonus challenge point if you complete 30 minutes on Lexia and 30 minutes on Dreambox. So you'll get 1 from each. If you decided to be on Lexia for an hour today, that would be 2 challenge points. So all of these challenge points are going to keep adding up. I'm going to be keeping track of them on Dojo. And when we come back to school in 3 weeks, I cannot wait to see all of you so I don't have to talk to my phone anymore. We will see who has the most, and I will be giving out some prizes when we get back. It's so important to make sure our brain keeps on firing and we keep on growing over these 3 more weeks. So do your work, make sure you get 3 pages done, get on Lexia and Dreambox. If you have any questions at all, let me know. I miss you guys, and I'll see you on Monday. Have an awesome weekend.